Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to get stretch filter on Instagram. So now you see how that looks like. I can move right or down and now you see that filter in work. And if you want to get that filter you need to do the following. So first tap there on plus icon once you are on Instagram and there select Reel. Now you need to tap there on 3 stars icon and I found that filter in Reels right there. Here it is, stretch. But if you don't get that filter here, you may tap on this search icon and type in stretch to find that filter by name. Here it is at the first position. Tap on that and go back to creating your reel, and now you can tap on your screen and move finger to stretch your image like that in any direction. You can do like that and it looks funny. So once you're done, you just tap there on record button and now you can create your video and when you finished you just tap on stop and now you can continue editing your video as you normally do. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you and see you next time.